Good morning, friend. This session is all about how to draw basic form of the function y is equal to fx on Wolfram Mathematica software. As we know, there must be some syntax to draw this type of graph, and the syntax will be plot f of x, comma, in a curly bracket x1, comma, x2, curly bracket close, smart bracket close, where fx is a given function and x1 and x2 will be minimum and maximum value on x-axis for which you want to show this graph. You can change this value whenever you want according to your need. Now take a basic example of y is equal to x square. Okay, so to draw this function on Wolfram Mathematica, we have to type x square after pressing shift enter. Now you can see you will get your required graph. First, understand what is the minimum value that our graph shows on x-axis. It will be minus 10. You can see this point. Okay, the minimum value for the given graph is minus 10. Okay, and for the maximum value of for the given graph on positive x-axis will be plus 10. Now you can see you can change this value minus 10 and 10 to your new required value according to your need. Now suppose if someone wants minus 5 to 5 will be as their limit to show that graph. Now you can change the value minus 10 to minus 5, and you can change this value 10 to 5. Now shift enter. Now press shift enter. Now it is a new graph according to our need. Okay, so take us some another example. Y is equal to x cube. Okay, to plot x cube, then in a curly bracket x, comma, similarly for this graph, close, shift enter. Now you can see this graph shows function y is equal to x cube, range on x-axis minus 10 to 10. According to our need, we can change this to new required value. Suppose it will be minus 3, and positive 10 will be plus 3. Now press shift enter. Now you can get the new graph. Now you will get the new graph in which the limit of x will be minus 3 to 3, and according to that value we will get our range. Okay, take us some another example. Y is equal to mod x. In Wolfram Mathematica, the mod value for a mod function will be shown by absolute ABS. Okay, you have to type ABS then x. In a smart bracket you have to type x. If you want to show mod x on Wolfram Mathematica, then your syntax will be plot absolute x, sorry, absolute x, curly bracket open, x minus 7 to 7, curly bracket close, shift enter. Now you can see it is a graph of y is equal to mod x. Okay, and this graph y is equal to mod x is non-differentiable at y is equal to, sorry, x is equal to 0, because at x is equal to 0 there will be a corner. Okay, but the graph is a continuous, you have to understand there is a no break, so graph is continuous at x is equal to 0. Also there will be a corner at x is equal to 0, so graph is non-differentiable at x is equal to 0. Okay, so I think it's sufficient for this session. uh, in the next session we will take some more example or some more different function related to mathematics. Thank you, and till that point or till that time please subscribe my channel.